Hey, good morning everybody. I'm craving a Thai omelet, one of my favorite meals to get. And walking through here, actually there's a few other goodies. Actually this one right here, that ham and cheese croissant, very good too. But let's go get what I came after. Okay, I see the omelet ladies here, so let's order. And the way this works is you order from the tray, you tell them which item to add to your omelet. Sawasdee krap. Madurm krap. Yeah. So I'm basically just telling her I want the same thing as usual because she knows me. But if you want, you could do what I do. I just get the vegetables only. So I say pak yang diao. So she's adding all this here, all the veggies. Sometimes people get the minced pork, or you get some ham or some sausage. I just like to do veggies only, it tastes the best. And then her setup is that she's got the electric wok here just for omelets, and there's the palm oil. And then they also cook regular Thai food, which they cook in the other wok. You see, they make other style of omelets too. Creamy omelet with crab stick, creamy omelet with ham and rice. But the style I get is very basic, but very delicious. So let's go get a coffee. Yeah. That's gonna take a few minutes to cook, so coffee time. Sorry, Cap. one. An interesting thing here too is that they use condensed milk as the sweetener. So instead of just putting in, tablespoons of sugar, they use, you can see condensed milk in the can, and then they just add it, swirl it in. But it gives the coffee a different texture. It's kind of like a creamier latte than normal, right? But it's very delicious as well. So let's wait for that, and then we go back and get my omelet. And while we're waiting, why don't we look at some of the other goodies they have. So if you're craving waffles with some chocolate, we got waffles with ham and cheese. These little miniatures, just like crab, chocolate. So if you got a sweet tooth in the morning, they've got you covered. Oh, it's ready. Okay, I got a base. Okay, looks like the omelet's coming out. Yes, look at that beauty. Wow, so good, so good. All right, so let me pay the lady, and then I'll show you how to dress this up. So this just came straight off the stove there, and then you could, if you want to go salty, you could do the fish sauce with the chilies. But what you typically do is you add the Thai chili sauce, and you just put a generous amount like that, and you're all set. Anyways, I hope you like that. I got my delicious Thai omelet, feeling very happy and satisfied. Sabai sabai. I'll talk to you guys next time.